Today we're going to look at the Sheawasy glasses camera. Comes in a little case like this. There's a little clip so you can attach it to anything actually. And when we open it up, you got your glasses. Look at that. And it comes with the glasses wiper, well, cleaner, so you can actually clean off your glasses. And comes with the tweezers, it looks like, to probably take out the micro SD card from the glasses. And it comes with instructions on how to use the glasses. And on the glasses, on the left hand side right here, if you bend it right here, there's a little slot where you can put the micro SD. So you need a micro SD for this to work. You see how it slips right in, and then you just make sure it connects, and that's where the micro SD slot is. And when we take a closer look at the glasses design, right here you'll see those two holes. It looks like a design. Then when we switch over to the other side, you can see where the camera is hidden. Look at that. Very nice and discreet. The power button is on the left side as well, so right over here you pretty much control everything with this power button. It does not look any different from a regular pair of glasses. The feel is pretty much the same. The weight is pretty similar. You can't even tell there's hardware inside here, so that's the best part about it. Let's go ahead and try out the footage. Right here we're gonna go ahead and test the camera out in the outdoor setting, and you can see it does a pretty solid job of taking the shot even with a very small camera, and it's hidden. We're just getting different types of views here just to see how well the camera does, and as you can see, it takes a really solid shot. And it actually takes pretty solid pictures too, and that is the glasses camera.